So I quite often use this get-to-grip mount for holding my hairdryer or hot air gun when I'm doing my work. It just frees up my hands and allows me to put some consistent heat on the panel. But I do also use it when I'm setting up my umbrella. So I thought I'd just do a little video today on the umbrella and just how this mount plays a huge role in just keeping it all neat and tidy and keeping it in place for me. So great product to have, and I'll show you how I use it. So it has the familiar vacuum pump as with the line boards. So just a few little pumps, and that is now stuck to the side of the panel. And what makes these really great is just how many kind of little adjustable arms and clamps there are on here as well. So it is really quite versatile in terms of where you want to apply it to the vehicle and what you're looking to hold and all the different angles you can use it for. Now watch me faff around with this umbrella. So this is actually an old fishing umbrella back from years ago when I used to do a bit of fishing. So it does the job just fine, but there are PDR specific umbrellas out there as well. But this is just one that I've had kicking around for years, so it serves a purpose and does the job. Keeps the sun off me and the glare off the car on sunny days, and also when it's just light rain, just enough to keep myself and the panel dry without having to set up the full kind of pop-up gazebo that I also use. Now it's the little clamp on the end of here that I think makes this really good. I can open it up nice and wide to hold the handle of the hairdryer, but also screw it nice and kind of small to fit the narrow shaft of this umbrella. And then going around and just making sure the other adjustable sections are nice and tight as well to stop any kind of movement on there. Now I also anchor down the bottom part, especially when I'm working on kind of tarmac or driveways like this, and I have the weights that I use that are part of the kit for my gazebo. But any weight will do just to make sure you're sort of giving it a bit more support as well. So as we take a closer look at the clamp setup, you can see that suction cup, and then the first adjustable, the second adjustable point, the third, and then fourth, that grip as well, holding that steady. So a great bit of kit to have.